Hello everybody, my name is Andrew and today let's talk about a mindset, or rather changing a mindset that is sabotaging your pockets and making your life miserable. It's so simple and straightforward and doesn't require from you much effort really. Here, let this totally adorable little puppy say it for me. Stop buying dumb shit! I assume you're at home and not watching this while driving. Look around you. Look at all the dumb, useless shit that you own. And let's not sugarcoat it. This is not stuff, this is not crap, it's shit. S-H-I-E-T. That weird-looking handmade vase you brought from your trip to San Diego. Those overpriced stinky candles you haven't even lit once since you bought them. The $40 ugly sweater from Target you got last year because you thought that married ladies from the Christmas office party would think that you're so funny and original. They didn't. And that's not even the worst part of it all. The worst part is that for every piece of that shit, you have traded not just a piece of paper from your wallet, you have traded a piece of your soul. Even worse than that, a piece of the most valuable resource you will ever have. Yes, your time. How much do you earn? $20 per hour? 30? Well, definitely not 35, otherwise you would have already hired a wealth management firm and not be looking for advice on the internet. 20. Let's say you earn $20. That means that for every 20 bucks in your pocket, you have to work for 1 hour. In that case, that ugly sweater that you wore only once cost you 2 hours of your life. Those candles, another hour. The vase, let's say you did strike a deal of your life and you got one for yourself and one for your beautiful auntie who, let's be honest, wasn't too thrilled about it, for $40 in total. 2 more hours. And now think about how many hours, days, weeks in a year you have to work without getting paid. No, you are getting paid. With fucking candles. Just think about it. Behind every single purchase that you make, there is the 6 a.m. merciless alarm, 1 hour commute in the morning traffic, 8 hours of sitting on your ass staring at a flickering screen, taking commands, kissing asses, avoiding Tom from accounting who just won't shut up about Bitcoin, and then even longer commute back to your couch where you don't have any energy left to even think of doing something that at some point of your life was of any interest to you, and all of that just to impress some married ladies in the office. Yeah, I rest my case. No, wait, team, gather around. Let's recap the strategy that we've learned today. Next time you find yourself scrolling through sleek deals or walking around Ross dressed for less, not because you need something, but just because you didn't have anything better to do, and you see a pair of fancy shades with a tag that says original price $400, now only $200. What do you tell yourself?
Let's flip it on eBay!
No. You tell yourself, hey man, it's not that you are actually saving those $200, and it's not even that you are spending $200. It's that tomorrow you will have to wake up at 6 a.m. and go to work and bust your ass for the full day and do overtime just to be able to wear those plastic shades for 2 hours during your commute back to your couch. Is it worth it? I don't know. Ask your original limited edition Pet Rock for just $19.95. And as always, link in the description.
Like and subscribe!